auto racks are empty.
How come? How come the auto racks are empty? Mama, how can you see through them?
If you look really closely, you can see.
At the end. Wow. Wow! Stop, couldn't stop. I gotta handle you. I gotta touch you. I can't touch you because you have to stop.
Wow, this train has every kind of car.
You want to get out real quick and hand her her thing?
I can't see the train.
She's fine. You want to take the video?
Oh, watch your door.
Mommy,
Where'd she drop it?
right there.
Where?
Right there.
Ooh, look at that pretty green hopper car, Koji.
I feel it.
Go open that.
This doesn't work.
How come not of the whole train?
Where'd you get them?
I don't know. Lowe's, I think.
There's the end.
Yay!
Yay, now we can cross. The end. Can you take a video of the gate go all the way up?
I did.
Now can I see it?
Yeah, hold on.